My name is Charlie, and I chose the Mini POV 4 for my starter project. I chose the Mini POV 4 because it provides many opportunities to learn about the different parts on it and also allows me to practice soldering. The Mini POV 4 turns on through an on and off switch on the battery. Once turned on, after a slight delay, the LEDs will flicker to a specific pattern that you can choose based on uploading a design to the USB port. The Mini POV4 is powered by a 4.5 volt battery source. It has 3 capacitors, 200 nanofarad capacitors and 1 ceramic capacitor. The capacitors serve to store electric charge in order to regulate the voltage in the circuit. There are also many resistors throughout the circuit in order to regulate the current. Every single LED light has its own 47 ohm resistor in order to make sure they don't burn out. There's also 3 2.2K ohm resistors connected to the transistors in order to limit the amount of current that flows into the transistors. The transistors serve to amplify the signals from the microcontroller to the LED lights. The microcontroller's purpose is to signal each LED light to flash, and then on its own it does not have the amount of power to signal each LED light on its own, but with the transistors amplifying its signal, it's able to control each and every LED light. There's also the variable potentiometer that controls the input current that flows out in order to regulate the current throughout the entire circuit, and this allows the LEDs to blink with a constant time gap between each blink. Through this project, I learned how to solder and also learned the different parts in this circuit, such as the capacitors, the transistors, and the microcontroller. I faced many challenges, as in the beginning when I soldered some things in the wrong spot, and I also accidentally soldered some wires together. So I had to desolder these. And I also did not know what most of these parts did, so through this project I had to learn what each part did.